Greetings again everyone. In this video I will only be discussing example 3 of worksheet 10. I am discussing this separately because this question is a little confusing and it may require a bit more time compared to the previous ones. For this question, I will not advise the use of Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle, we can deal with that with this question in class. So as for now, we are just going to use the formula method. Okay, the formula, it says n combination r x power n minus r a power r. That is our formula. Okay, so in this case our n value is 3, r value will always change, x value is this first term, the first term is 2x, while the a value is negative 1 over x squared. Okay, the negative is part of a, so is 1, and so is this denominator part. The whole of this term is a. So let's do the expansion. The first one, n combination r, it is going to be 3 combination 0. X is 2x, 2x, I'm putting that in brackets, 2x power n minus r, n minus r this time is 3 minus 0. A is this one here, negative 1 over x squared, power r 0. That's the first part. Plus, for the second parts and all the other parts thereafter, the only thing that changes is the r value. The rest of the equation will remain the same. So it becomes 3 combination 1, 2x power 3 minus 1, negative 1 over x squared power 1, plus 3 combination 2, 2x power 3 minus 2, negative 1 over x squared power 2, plus 3 combination 3, 2x power 3 minus 3, negative 1 over x squared power 3. Let's simplify that now. 3 combination 0 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. So the outside power is 3. Keep in mind we need to raise all the terms to that outside power. 2 power 3 is 8. X power 3 is x cubed. So this is what we get after we expand 2x power 3. The 2 has to be raised to the power 3. Over here, anything to the power 0 is a 1. So that's fine. Plus 3 combination 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. And we have a x squared. Okay, so this one is a more important one. When we subtract that, we get a 2. That 2 also has to be put in place. And then the next one, negative 1 over x squared. Anything to power 1, it remains. So times negative 1 over x squared. The next one, plus 3 combination 2 is also a 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Anything to power 1 is the same thing. So we get a 2x times negative 1 over x squared. Now this is a fraction raised to an outside power of 2. Negative 1 squared is a positive 1. While x squared also has to be raised to the power of 2. When a power is raised to another power, we multiply them. 2 times 2 is 4. So we get x power 4. And then going to the last one, 3 combination 3 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So anything to the power 0 is also a 1. And the last one, negative 1 over x squared. Raising them to the powers, negative 1 power 3 is a negative 1. over x squared to power 3. 2 times 3 is 6. We get x power 6. Let's simplify it. Well, meanwhile, if you leave your answer to this stage, you can get full marks, right? So simplification from this stage to that stage is important. From here on, the simplification, it depends on you. So let's simplify it. 1 times 1 is 1, times 8 is 8. My answer is 8x cubed plus this x squared from the numerator cancels with the x squared with the denominator. 3 times 4 is 12 with a negative 1. 12 times negative 1 becomes a minus 12. So basically we can remove this positive sign afterwards. Let's go to the next one. 3 times 2 is 6. This is a 1. So 6 times 1 is a positive 6. The denominator x over x power 4. I need to cancel this x with the power 4 and the power becomes a 3. So we get 6 over x cubed. And then the last one, 1 times negative 1 is a negative 1. Over, there is no x in numerator, there is only one x in denominator, which is x power 6. This becomes our solution. Thank you everyone. I'll see you in the next worksheet.